Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you how to turn off YouTube search history. It's super easy and we'll make sure you'll get it right. Just make sure you're logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. First, you have to open YouTube, then click on upper right corner. Now click on settings. Now click on manage all history. Select the account. Now click on controls. Now click on include your searches on YouTube. Click on pause. Now click on got it. Your YouTube search history has been paused. I hope you have found value in this video. If you want to grab freebies, want to explore fantastic sample offers, and want to get exclusive coupons by spinning a wide range of products from cutting edge gadgets to beauty essentials, then watch the video you are seeing on the end screen. Also, please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck.